Looking at the hype, like someone coded an entire game using AI, someone developed a delivery chain using AI, and many more applications. It looks like every engineer should either learn AI or retire. It's a bold claim, and in this video we are going to break it down. Looking at both sides of the argument, is learning AI truly make or break skill for engineers today? Let's find out. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It is integrating into every field now, from automation in manufacturing to predictive maintenance in machinery, from optimizing algorithms in software to designing more efficient systems in hardware. AI is becoming the underlying technology. As engineers, we need to understand these fundamental shifts to stay relevant. AI provides powerful tools for analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and generating insights that traditional methods might miss. Engineers who understand AI can leverage those problem solving skills of AI to solve the complex problems more efficiently and make their innovation at a faster rate. Means अगर आप मैनुअल वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने जाओगे तो वो पर्टिकुलर स्पीड और एफिशिएंसी अचीव ही नहीं कर सकते जो आप प्रॉब्लम को छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बांट के एआई से सॉल्व करा के अचीव कर सकते हो. Think about using machine learning for anomaly detection in complex systems or employing AI for optimizing design parameters. As AI is automating tasks in other fields, it's also providing engineers with tools to automate repetitive or time-consuming aspects of their work. This could include automated testing, code generation, or even intelligent design assistants. Learning AI can help engineers become more productive and focus on high-level, more creative tasks. जैसे कि अगर VLSI jobs की बात करूँ तो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वाला काम, मेल राइटिंग, एक्सप्लेनेशन, टेस्ट केस डेवलपमेंट एंड स्क्रिप्ट वर्क को इजीली ऑटोमेट करा जा सकता है. The demand for engineers with AI skills is skyrocketing as AI continues to evolve. Those who possess this knowledge will be highly sought after, leading to better career opportunities, higher salaries and more fulfilling roles. Current time पे जो LLM की hype है ना, मतलब artificial intelligence की जो hype है ना, कि रिक्रूटर्स को आपके रिज्यूमे में अगर थोड़ा सा भी AI से रिलेटेड कुछ दिख जाए तो ऑल ऑफ सडन वो रिज्यूम सुंदर दिखने लगता है, अच्छा दिखने लगता है. Hence, whether you are in software, electrical, mechanical or any other engineering discipline, understanding AI can open up new and exciting career paths. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, continuous learning is essential. For engineers, understanding AI is not just about keeping up, it is about staying ahead of the curve and contributing to innovation. Those are some compelling reasons why learning AI seems almost mandatory for today's engineers, but let's not jump to conclusion. There are also valid arguments against the idea that every single engineer needs to become an AI expert. Engineering is a vast field with numerous specializations. Demanding that every engineer becomes proficient in AI can distract them from their core domain knowledge. They can be weaker and weaker in their core domain. They just use AI and get the idea, so their brain. A deep understanding of fundamental engineering principles in their specific field might be more critical for many roles. For instance, a structural engineer might prioritize advanced material science over machine learning algorithms. A VLSI engineer may prioritize core electronic concepts instead of learning and doing work using AI. AI is a powerful tool, but it's still a tool. It is designed to assist and augment human capabilities, not replace the deep domain knowledge and intuition that experienced engineers possess. Many engineering tasks require deep understanding, creativity, and human judgment that AI cannot fully replicate. The level of AI knowledge required will vary significantly based on the core engineering role. A software engineer working on AI-powered applications will naturally need a much deeper understanding of AI than, say, a chemical engineer focused on process optimization. Though even they might benefit from some AI awareness, a blanket requirement for in-depth AI knowledge across all engineering disciplines might be unrealistic and unnecessary. It's clear that AI is a transformative technology with significant implications for engineering. However, the idea that every engineer must become an AI expert or retire might be too strong of a statement. The reality likely lies somewhere in the middle. We have seen both sides of the coin. So, what do you think? Are AI skills becoming necessary for each and every engineer? Do let me know your thoughts in comments.